Hey guys, Ninja, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be checking out N-Team and their first ever comeback with their song Firework. I did not know that they were going to be releasing anything. I didn't see anything. I don't even know, do I follow them on any of my social media? I don't know if I do or not. Maybe that's why I didn't see anything. It also doesn't help that they're on the Japan side of Hybe, so I feel like you're not really going to hear that much about them unless like they're either going to start being promoted in Korea or if you're actually following them. At least maybe that's just how I think of it. But I'm going to be checking out Firework. I saw it. I really liked their debut. I think they had a really good debut. Their two main songs that they promoted, Under the Skin and Sensitive You, I think. Those songs I really liked a lot. So I'm kind of curious as to see what is the next music video, the next song or title track for this, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, let's start. Okay, let's check this out. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, I didn't realize all of them were in that that room. Oh. Oh, I like the instrumental already. Whoa. Who's this girl? Oh, they're like all dancing for her. Oh, I love this chorus. How many members are there? I forget for N-Team. Oh, this music video is really pretty. I really like how it's being directed and filmed. Ooh, that's a very cool shot. Oh shit. Like they look like actual I don't know, just young kids in this part of it. That is a beautiful shot. Firework. Are there 9 members? 9 or 10? I don't know, y'all can let me know in the comments. Seems to be oh, there's still a minute left. Okay. Huh. I don't know what's going on there. You know me with my lore, oh, what the fuck? Wait a minute, wait, hold on. That's a Dark Blood, right? Isn't that for N-Hypen? I forget that, that, like, N-Team's technically, like, the second half of N-Hypen or whatever, right? I think someone said that before in the comment section for one of my N-Team reactions. Yeah, don't know too much about what's going on for the storyline, but when do I ever when it comes to these music videos? I feel like so many groups, they have so many meanings or so much, like, lore. I don't follow any of it. But anyways, in terms of the music video and the song was amazing. I really liked it a lot. Something right off the bat, as soon as I heard that instrumental, I was like, ooh, this is gonna be really good. I don't know if it's because it has more of like I don't necessarily think it has a Western sound, but maybe more of like a nostalgic sound, because it kind of had that, that one, I don't know what, like, not synth, but it has, like, it makes it sound a little bit retro in a way. But yeah, I also just it kind of gives like this, like nostalgic youth or something. I don't know. I really liked it though, and the video was really pretty. I think, like I said, whoever directed it and stuff, they did a really good job. And I don't know. I wish I could see like performances and stuff for them. I don't know if they're gonna do anything, but I really like the song. So, but that's all I have for you guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow my social media links in the description below, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Cherry Coke. Cherry